How's it, everyone? Today we'll be talking about Excel. Please subscribe, and if you do subscribe, I've got a PowerPoint on Excel that'll try to help you for beginners. Okay, cool. Let's get started. Go on Excel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing rand, sum, and if anything else comes up, we'll do that too. So to generate random numbers, you have to press equals. Let's go to rand, which is already there, but just in case it wasn't there, go to more functions, go rand, enter. Oh god, let's go to Google. So yeah, go rand, which has a random number to greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1. Okay, cool, let's do this. And then that's there. Let's go make it go there and there and there we go. And let's do sum now. Sum be over here in this block. Equals, then we go search for sum over here. Sum if, no, max, no, we're going to do max. Let's do max also, eh? What that will return the maximum amount of numbers over here. Let's just do it. Zero 0.99768, that's the maximum of all these together. So over here the sum. More functions. Sum. There we go. Let's do the sum. Now the sum, that's all of these together, and this one isn't actually all of these together. This one is the biggest of all of them. Yeah, this one's all of them together. It's 55.08257. No, actually let's round this off, this number. So what we do, I wish I could remember how to do this. Yeah, there we go. 55.08, and then what we could do also go to there, decimal places. Let's do 0. Let's make it like that, hey? Okay, just 55 now. Yeah. Now let's do the average. Equals and more functions. Sorry, I don't know spell it very well. Let's do this command wise average. That's weird. Okay. I just search it. Sorry about that advert, this is so stupid. Let's come up. There we go. Now it'll work. Let's start this thing. The most recently used made I want to. Let's just search because that's in the A. Address, correct. Average, here we go. Let's do the average of these. Okay. Average is 0.57131. Yeah. Now let's do the sum of all of these, huh? So here 57.4444, so 57.44564. Okay, so that's round, sum, average, max. What else shall we do, eh? Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Just remember to subscribe and press that notification button. Thank you very much for watching.